So today we're going to be switching out this cabin air filter on this 2012 Toyota Tundra Platinum Edition. Go ahead and open up your glove box. Come in here, slide this up, out. We're going to identify our filter housing. Unclip it here. And here. Install our new filter with the airflow pointed upward on this vehicle. Airflow. Remember when you install this to push this down so it doesn't have any wiggle room, and we're good to go.